Developing this afternoon, Hurricane Melissa is now out of the Caribbean, but the work there is really just beginning. Take a look at some of this widespread devastation left behind. This is in Black River, Jamaica. That's on the southwest side of the island. Many people there without homes and power today. The damage assessments well underway, of course, as the cleanup efforts are just getting started. Emergency rescue efforts also underway.
That's right. And so they're really just assessing the damage right now. And so it's too soon to know what the full catastrophic effects will be. That could be days or weeks. For the very latest of what we do know right now, let's get over to Ivan Rodriguez.
Days after Hurricane Melissa made landfall in Jamaica, parts of the island remain inaccessible.
They are cutting their way on foot through blocked roads. By foot. This is not easy.
Emergency officials are picking up the pieces and clearing roads to reach isolated communities in need of relief. Torrential downpours and forceful winds unleashed widespread destruction across the Caribbean, damaging homes, causing severe flooding and widespread power outages, and forcing the evacuation of hundreds of thousands.
I've never seen anything like this in my life. It was devastating. It was, and the wind and the rain. It was unprecedented.
In Haiti, Melissa did not make a direct landfall, but was still deadly and caused flooding. In Cuba, roads are also covered in mud and trees, leaving many communities isolated from help. Cuba is already receiving some aid from partners such as China and Venezuela, as well as the United Nations. But Jamaica took the heaviest battering. Melissa made landfall there as a Category 5 storm, with estimated maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour.
I think the entire Jamaica is really broken. We're working to get to those who need as much assistance as possible.
U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio activated the Regional Disaster Assistance Response Team on October 29th. In Atlanta, I'm Ivan Rodriguez.